I'm just in the garage today playing around, and I'm finally going to get to something that's been bugging me for a while now. I finally have the time to get to it, and they're going to start cutting grass or using the blower right now. Alright, so a freaking hour later, he finally decides to stop doing whatever he was doing. So anyway, I'm working on my truck. I don't really work on my truck too much. It's not really like that much a focal point for my channel. Anyway, but let me show you why I'm working on it. I bought LEDs for it a while. Actually, when I first bought it, so you're talking a year ago, and the driver's side one stopped working, and it's just driving me nuts. I'm one of those guys where like I need all my lights to work, brake lights and everything. It just drives me nuts when one of them doesn't work. And I spent a lot of money on these, so I'm a little pissed off that after a year one of them already stopped working. It's like a big LED company. This is before me and LASFIT actually ever started communicating or going back and forth, and they jumped on board with my channel. So after this, naturally, I reached out to them, and LASFIT, my friends over at LASFIT, hooking me up. Big shout out to LASFIT. So they sent me their LS series. The LS series is in my brother's Civic, which you guys have seen that video. If you haven't, I'll leave a link down below. And it's in Nicole's Jeep. Very impressed with the quality of the LS series, so I'm glad to just throw those on there and nip this problem in the bud. But this video is not just me throwing LEDs, and I don't want to make this video about installing LEDs. This video is actually about you guys. So I hooked you guys up with a 10% off coupon. I think when I did my brother's Civic. In this video, LASFIT said they want to actually give back to you guys, give back to our channel. So they're giving away 30 free T10 bulbs. So I'm going to give you the code. All you got to do with this code, first you have to be a subscriber to my channel and a subscriber to LASFIT. I'll leave their YouTube channel in the description below. I can never remember anything. So you're going to go to their website and you're going to use the code Surge Motive Garage. And Surge Motive Garage is, like I said, they're giving away 30 T10 bulbs, and it's not random. It's the first 30 people that go use the code, you get the free bulbs. You may have to pay for shipping. They told me it might be $2, but I mean, I can vouch for these bulbs, and I'm not BSing. These bulbs, they're in my brother's Civic. So if you watch that video, you'll see the last set we put in are the interior ones, the T10s, the brightest interior bulbs I have ever seen. I love bright LEDs, even if they're inside the car. I can vouch for these 100%. These are some bright bulbs, so I might just ask for a set for myself. Use the code Surge Motive Garage. Go to the website, get 30 free bulbs. We're gonna run through this real quick, make sure they work, but this video is about you guys. Go get those free lights. On how to remove your headlights in the Ram. First, you're going to take the plastic kind of shroud over the radiator. You're going to take that off. Next, you're going to take the 4 10s on top of the grill. Take those 10s off, and then you're just going to pull the grill out from the bottom corner. There's only 2 clips on each corner. Pull it straight out. So you saw me pull the grill out. Then you're going to go, and there's 2 bolts on the headlight. So when you're looking at the headlight in the front of the car, you're going to come to this top one right here. Then you're going to go to one right here in the corner. And you're going to take those 2 10s out, and then the headlight's not ready to come out yet. There's actually a clip behind the fender liner. So we're right here behind the driver's side wheel well. You're going to pull this access panel. All right, so it's just a little clip. Pull that back, and then you're going to come in here. Now, if I come in here, it's going to be hard to see. I'll show you from the front though. Right? So here's the front. So here's where your hand would be coming up. You're going to be reaching right up here. So you guys see this clip? You're going to push it up, because when you push it up, it exposes this hole. Usually when you put the headlight in, you pull this down, and this actually locks the back of the headlight. So this is how it's originally. So you're going to reach right back here. You're going to feel this clip, and then you're just going to push up. That's going to release the back of the headlight, and you can pull the whole headlight out and do your undo your connections. All right, just like that, we're done. Got both of the new LASFIT LED bulbs in there. Headlights in this one. It's so easy. It literally took me, I mean, to take the grill off and everything, 20 minutes to do the whole job. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you guys know this. I'm like a straight shooter. I don't BS, and I'm not. Oh, god damn it with this guy again. Okay, like I was saying, I'm very straightforward. If I like a product, I tell you. If I don't like it, I tell you. I'm not really afraid to like step on anyone's toes here, you know. So I want you to keep that in mind. I know I've been mentioning LASFIT a lot, and in most of my not most of my videos, but all the lighting videos has been them. It's not only because they're supplying me with the light, it's just because the quality of the lights, it's way better. I want everybody just to see it, like switch to them, try them out. It's worth it. So that's just, don't get the impression that I'm just saying it because they're telling me to, because they can tell me to say it all they want, but if I don't like it, I don't like it. Like I did in the first review I did. And anyway, that's besides the point. Go switch to them, check their website out. They have pretty much all makes and models. Follow their Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram right here somewhere. I love the lights. I'm so happy with it, and they actually fit way better than the other brand I had. Yeah, I'm just disappointed with that other brand. The other brand costs twice as much than what this kit, whatever. I have a light bar on the truck. So I put this light bar on about a couple months ago. I have a video coming out of that. Haven't really had time to edit, so that's just kind of like one of those I throw in videos for the week. But that's pretty much the end of this video. I just wanted you guys to see, put in some new lights, what I'm doing today, and definitely to go get some free lights, man. They're giving you some free lights, and I'm sure this is the first of many giveaways. You gotta understand, this is their first free giveaway they're doing on my channel, so naturally you're gonna start small. I wouldn't be surprised come Christmas time, I might be giving away a free set of LED headlights. So check them out, show them that we're gonna be checking the website out, so I have some ammo to tell them, listen guys, let's get these viewers some free headlights. So if you guys stuck to this end of, you know, this part of the video, big shout out to you guys. You know, you're really just watching everything I'm putting out there, and I appreciate that. Just gonna cut it here. Just like I said, the truck's it's not that interesting. That's really all I wanted to do today. I got some spare time, so please go check out LASFIT. They're a great company. The customer support is top notch. They always get back to me. They're always there to help me out, and they're there to help you guys out too. And that's the big thing that I'm really trying to get out. They're using me to get to you guys just because of the connection we have. So check them out. They're a great company, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay motivated and keep making those streets louder.